Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wanting to set up your very own blog on Webflow but weren't sure where to start, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and publish your first blog post using Webflow's intuitive tools, even if this is your very first time working with the platform. So let's jump right in and get your blog up and running. First things first, before you can actually create any blog content, you need to make sure your Webflow site is published. Publishing your site basically makes your project live, so Webflow recognizes your content structures like collections. This is sort of like making sure the foundation of a house is solid before you start decorating. Don't worry, if you haven't published yet, just head over to your project and hit that blue Publish button in the top right. It only takes a moment, and once it's done, you're ready for the next step. Now, once your site is live, head back to your Webflow dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all your sites on Webflow. Locate the site you've just published. It's usually easy to spot with the thumbnail and title. On the right side of your site's name, you'll notice three little dots. These are like the More Options button. Give them a click and a menu will pop up. From here, select Editor. The editor is designed to let you easily manage your site's content, which is exactly what you'll need for blogging. Once inside the editor, look over on the sidebar for something called Collections. Now, sometimes, depending on how your Webflow project is set up, especially if a developer helped you or you're using a template, the name might be something a little different. Instead of collection, you might see posts, articles, or even something unique your developer named it. Don't let that throw you off. Just look for the area that holds your blog posts. That's where you'll want to be. Click on the collection that matches your blog. Most often it'll be called blog posts or something similar. When you click in, you'll see a list of any existing posts, or it might be totally empty if this is your first time. Right at the top or sometimes to the side, there's usually a button that says New Blog Post. Go ahead and click on that to start crafting your first piece of content. Now comes the fun part, filling in your new blog post. Take your time here. You'll see fields for your title, the main content area, maybe a cover image, an author name, perhaps tags or categories depending on how things were set up. If you're not sure what to add, think about what you want your audience to see. An engaging title, some friendly and helpful writing, and maybe even a nice image to grab their attention. Completing all the provided fields will help your blog look polished and professional. If you get stuck, take a moment. It's totally normal to need a minute to plan your first post. Once you're happy with everything and don't stress if it's not perfect, you can always come back and edit. Look for the Create or Publish button, often at the top right of this editing screen. Click that and Webflow will save your post and make it live on your blog right away. And that's it, you've taken your first concrete step towards running a Webflow blog, all the way from site publishing to using the editor to crafting and publishing your very first post. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions or need more help, just drop a comment below. I read every one. For more step-by-step tutorials just like this, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.